The connecting rod right here.
I wanted to say hello.
I think we had this up for like one day. It's the end of its life. What's good, you guys? We're doing tests and he's data logging everything. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me and I'm gonna be doing some harder pulls right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay. Is that in the way?
No, we're good.
Cool.
We're good. I can see everything.
Dope.
Let's drive.
Was the Miata the first car that got you into tuning cars and stuff like that, or did you?
Yeah, pretty much.
What?
Yeah, one of my first cars I ever tuned was in my Miata, and then I was like just so intrigued.
Yeah.
And got way into it. Okay. Yep. Let's go to your left. We'll pull over real quick over there. I'm gonna look at the data log real quick. Oh yeah, just we'll be fine. Okay. Okay, yeah, so Megasquirt said we went up to 9.2. 9.2 pounds only, yeah.
And that's when it...
That was the last run. That was when it, yeah, when it popped off. You could tell, yeah, you could tell right when it popped off.
So, how much boost am I gonna like be going up to for that much power?
For 230, 240, around there.
That's how much the gauge only goes up to 20. So
yeah, you'll never need. Yeah,
okay.
You'll never go 20. 20 pounds on this turbo with this 9.9 engine. I'm thinking you're 310 to the wheels at least.
Oh, to the wheels?
Yeah. That's I would think. I mean, that's with us pulling timing, like finalizing a tune and everything.
Damn.
But I will make it as safe as possible.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah, because we'll just be on the conservative side.
Yeah.
So at 5,500 RPMs, where you peaked at 9.2, that's when you shifted. Nice.
Yeah.
Called it perfect. You shifted at 55.
Ah, cool.
Okay, good. Good. Dwell looks good. Rev it a little bit. Okay, it's not cutting out of this. Let's do it. Okay, we're data logging now. Start driving normally. No cars behind us is key. Same thing. First gear, slowly ease into it.
And then second gear.
Second gear pull, all the way third pull. Okay. Go. Nice. Go all the way. Stop. Oh!
What the fuck?
Oh no. Oh no. Something blew. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
You were good too, and it went up to 12 pounds. That was it. Air fuel ratio looked good too. Sorry, my guy. Something wasn't right. Something wasn't ready. Pop the hood.
Oh man.
Let's check it. I can smell coolant and oil.
That is
you. That line is you.
Oh, fuck.
You're right there too, man. It looks good. It looks safe. I think you blew out the rod. I'm sorry, my guy. I don't know what to tell you. So rod blew out. That means this is a cause of main bearing spinning. Or
is the turbo shit too now?
No, it shouldn't be. So it's just the bottom block. Your head might be fine too, but obviously there's no more compression up by the end, or else it'll keep running. I've never seen that this bad. Yeah, I've never seen it this bad. so bad that the engine mount broke off of it.
Damn, bro. Fuck. Well, as you guys can see, I just blew my engine. Fuck, man. Feels bad, man.
I've never seen it roll like that.
Oh, that's just my luck. What's good, you guys? This is shortly after recording the last bit. Called my towing company and then I got them on the way right now. But yeah, kind of just waiting for them. I'm estimated like 1 hour till they get here, so I'm gonna be sticking around for that. But yeah, this is a state the Miata's in right now. It looks like something with one of the bearings got spun and then it's fucking GG. Try to show you guys underneath if it's even possible, but I don't know if you guys can see anything, but yeah. Project Miata is not gonna be up for a hot boy summer. So yeah, yeah, just stay tuned. It's definitely coming back. I'm not gonna let this stop me from getting the car that I want. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. It's just chilling. But yeah, it's tough, man. I just got it yesterday. I just got a little taste of it. It's a little tease. And then I came today to finalize the tune after finally getting my car last night. And I said, nah, psych, got the wrong number. But yeah, I guess I'm not gonna be having an opportunity to make as much car content as I wanted to, but I'll get to it eventually again. So yeah, it's gonna be focusing on my real estate stuff and just barbering. But yeah, I'm gonna stick it out with the Miata, but I've considered changing, going to a different platform, but I don't know, we'll see. I really did enjoy the car, where I was at and how it felt. So we'll see. Maybe we'll have bigger power goals in the future. I don't know, man. We'll see. It's a little unfortunate, but yeah. Yeah, luckily the dude who was helping me tune it, super chill. I didn't want to have him, you know, spend hella time with me waiting for the fucking tow truck just because, like, it doesn't make sense. So I just told the dude he can go, but yeah, he was really dope dude. Shit happens. It is what it is. But yeah. Tow truck just showed up and taking my car. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home in my garage. Well, you guys, tow truck company and my insurance didn't tell me that they don't let you ride with the tow truck. So yeah, I'm just sticking around till my mom comes and picks me up. Luckily, dude who's driving the tow truck said he would wait for me at the house pretty much, or like slow down, so I can put my car at least in the garage. But yeah, I gotta say, it's a sunset though. Check it out, man. It's pretty nice. Yeah, about to go hit the gym after this. Yeah, it's bench day, so you know, at least I get a good upper body pump. But yeah, I'm just gonna be back to work tomorrow. I think tomorrow's Friday, so yeah, just get back to work. Did have plans for taking the car out this weekend and shit like that, or just, you know, getting a line and fine-tuning some stuff, but that'll be on hold again. So yeah, just gonna be working on stuff. Yeah, finishing up real estate school pretty soon, so excited about that. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. It's probably gonna be the end of this video. Yeah, thanks for staying tuned, you guys. Catch you guys in another video.
send it though.
All right, for sure, bro. Appreciate it.
All right.